What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the failed to play movie codec error in Nioh 3 on PC. This error usually happens because a required video codec is missing on your system. But don't worry, there are two easy ways to fix it. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Now, copy the command that you'll find in the description of this video. Paste the command into Command Prompt and press Enter. When asked, type Y to confirm the installation. Wait for the process to finish. Once it's done, restart your computer. After restarting, launch Nioh 3 and check if the error is gone. If the first method didn't work, try this one. Open the Microsoft Store. In the search bar, type VP9 Video Extensions. Click on VP9 Video Extensions from the results. Now click Download and wait for it to install. Once installed, restart your PC. After restarting, launch Nioh 3 again, and the movie codec error should be fixed. And that's it. One of these methods should fix the Nioh 3 failed to play movie codec error on PC.